Hey guys, welcome to another helpful tip video here at Phoenix Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. I'm Tyler.
I'm Bryan.
And today we're going to teach you how to change your waterfall diverter or any other diverter in your hot tub. They all work the same. Let's get into it. The biggest reason for this video today is these waterfall valves and these big diverter valves. They have a lot of pressure built up on the bottom side. They can loosen over time. So we just want to show you how to tighten those so that doesn't happen. And if it does, we want to show you how to replace them so that you don't have any trouble in the future. So let's do it.
Okay guys, so on most of your Twilight spas, it's going to be this funky sized dial. The waterfall
Medium size.
is a medium size. We have small for air. We have the big ones for diverting pressure. This is going to be on and off for waterfall. If you'd like, you can take that cap. It just pulls straight up and off. If you've had a problem with this where it pops out, that's also possible too. But underneath there, from the cap, you're going to have this little dial that is threaded on. A healthy dial will actually unthread, come off. It's going to have two black O-rings inside, and there's going to be one that sits onto the exposed plumbing. After that, there's a piece that actually sits in there. And this is what's turning on or off your waterfall. Handy dandy pliers sometimes do the trick. And from there, this is what, when you're turning, makes it go on and off. Sometimes all these components will still be like this, but they'll blow completely out. And Tyler, how do we fix that if you end up seeing this in your backyard?
So if you don't periodically tighten this threaded piece, what can happen is it shoots off into the neighbor's yard. There's water going everywhere, right? It's just because it wasn't tightened. You got to do it every couple months. Just screw it back down, hand tighten it, you'll be fine. Now, let's say it shot off, you need another one, you got water gushing out, come to your local dealer, okay? We can give you one, it's not a big deal, it's a 30-second fix. So if we're gonna put this piece back in, the way this is gonna come is they're gonna probably give you a full assembly, and the full assembly looks like this here, okay? This bottom side, unless you have damage on the bottom, is useless, you don't need it. Really, all you need here is you're gonna unscrew the new threaded top piece, okay? Make sure your two O-rings are in there. On this one, we have one O-ring inside there, and then we have one down here in this spot here, right? So we want them both to kind of join. Now, next, we're going to take this piece here, the actual diverter. We're going to drop that down in, right? Then, after that, you have your O-ring. You want to do the flat side up, okay? So make sure it sits down in there. It should not move.
And you can feel that, guys. It has a little well that it's supposed to be filled in right here. You can tell if you do it wrong.
Because it'll move all over the place.
You can kind of slide it back and forth a little bit. It won't nudge.
Next, threaded piece. Right on top there. Thread it. You don't need to get a...
No torque wrenching.
No torque wrenching. Just hand tight.
Just a hand tight.
Okay.
From there, your cap will just sit right back on there. You're good to go. Open and closed. If you are messing with this, on most Twilights that is pump 2, it'd be very wise to have pump 2 off. Right?